Yeah, hi Anish, good morning. Hello. Yeah, hi Anish, good morning. Yeah, hi Anish. Yeah, hi Anish, good morning.
Yeah, hi, good morning. I'm speaking with sorry, I don't.
Yeah, it's all right. Please turn on your camera.
Yeah, I, I see a huge lag in my video. Like, yeah, let's see how it goes.
Okay, let's start with your quick introduction. What kind of experience? Go ahead.
Yeah, so sorry. My name is Anish Thakkar. I'm a Java backend developer, mainly, and also I work as a full stack developer for around 7 years, uh, and worked for around 6 years in India, uh, in particularly Java and other some front end technologies in various domains, uh, like healthcare, finance, and then contract lifecycle management. And recently, I was working on a project. It belongs to retail POS domain. The client was US based, and I was working as a full stack developer in that project. And my roles and responsibilities while working as a developer and throughout my experience was to understand the requirements, design the uh, functionality or the feature for the requirement, test it properly through like unit testing, API testing, and push the code to the deployment. And uh, Sometimes I've been responsible to handle the production releases as well. So I have a bit of experience of all the software development life cycle stages. And yeah, that's all about me. Am I audible to you?
You have worked with React JS also, right?
Yes.
So have you worked with React JS also?
Yeah.
Disturbed. Actually, your voice is breaking.
Even I'm not able to understand like what's something is wrong with the actually maybe the video and audio together is not working properly. Maybe not in sync. Am I
Share
audible
your
now?
screen. I will give you one. Yes, you are.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Share your screen. I will give you one small problem.
Okay.
You can use any online compiler, right?
You want me to use can I use Eclipse if that's fine?
Share your screen first.
Like, can you see my screen?
Yeah, I can see. So go to.
Is it I was just wanted to confirm if that's okay with you if I use Eclipse, right? Okay. Okay. Just let me know the problem that you have, like the problem statement that you want to share.
I have given you a problem in the chat.
Okay. Let me see.
Shared it in the chat. Yeah, click on hide here.
I can see that. You is okay. Okay.
You can assume all strings are in lowercase. Okay, so no need to bother about like small case, uppercase.
Okay.
You
Okay.
can assume like everything is in lowercase. It is case insensitive. And you can
Okay.
assume also.
Okay.
Yeah, no
Okay.
need to do any extra handling.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Okay.
No need to differentiate between uppercase and lowercase.
Okay.
Able to understand the problem?
Yep. I think I can. I'm able to understand. So S1 needs to be subsequence of, but not in a same order. Okay.
No, only
Uh,
order has to be maintained. Need not to appear continuously, like a Java substring. Okay.
mhm.
Java substring will give me true if I do with like anis dot contains a n I, okay, a n I s h or n n I. Even if I passed
Okay.
anis dot contains ais, that also should be true.
Okay.
So
Okay.
that's the crux of the problem is characters need not to appear continuously. Yeah, only order we have
Okay.
to ensure.
Okay. That makes sense.
You can try with any of the approach coming to your mind. We will discuss about
Yeah,
optimization and things like.
I'm thinking of one approach.
Yeah, sure. Take your time. Yeah.
Yeah. It's true. Can I? I'm just using pen and paper if
Yeah, sure,
that's
man.
fine.
I have no issue.
Yeah. Thanks. So, okay. Okay. Just give me 2 more minutes, please. Sorry.
Yeah, sure.
Get has index again, get yeah, previous index. Yeah, let me try this approach.
Sure.
Uh, which field am I? Okay. Kalidas killed. True. Kalidas DKI also. Mhm. Yeah. DKI. My bad.
Negative test case is not working. True, it is giving.
Yeah, actually, I was just missing this. So false for this. Okay. And yeah. True for this. Okay. I was expecting. For you want any random test case to be tried here from this?
Okay, just go to your program. Okay, you can take this Kumar and or in
Okay.
CI you can change AIYS or try this input. Let's take from your second example. If I take your second name surname as S2 Akkar, then if I pass S1 as TKKR, okay, try this. It should be true actually. Just copy this example given in the chat.
Okay. Yeah, doing that. Just it's been super slow. I don't know what's wrong.
You receive.
No, I'm not able to
All right.
see that.
Make S2 as your surname in lowercase. TAKKAR.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. And here my name, first name.
So are you checking S1 is a subsequence of S2 or S2 as a subsequence of S1?
As per the problem statement, the S1 should be substatement of S2, right? Like
So means you
KAR.
can, that's the variable how you deal with them. So means I am just asking in your program, you are, what is a big string and what is a small string? S1 or S2?
S1 is the small. S1 is the small. S2 is the big one. So S1 should be the subset.
So you were making S2 as Sahitya and S1 as Sia that way, right?
Yeah.
Or then make S2 as Takkar and this your surname TAKKAR, and S1 you make TKKR. Yeah, you have received here. Just try with this one.
Okay.
This particular case also you have handled, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right, paste your solution in the chat.
It's taking so
Can you
long.
think of any approach where you don't create any extra space? You can do it in place. Still with the linear time.
Yeah, right. I was thinking the approach, but I mean, I was not able to quickly think about that. Like there could be a better approaches, obviously. So it should be if I start from here. Okay, I still okay. 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 Yes. Okay, so you're saying.
All right, let's for an example take this problem. I've given you one more problem. Try to solve it.
Okay. In the chat?
I think there is some latency. I think taking time.
Yeah.
Just wait for a few seconds. I think your network is slow because I have checked mine is good speed here.
Yeah. Uh, can you give me like 5 minutes if that's fine? I mean, let me change my change my location. If it works, then it will be good for both of us. You know.
But audio is fine, right? Means we can communicate. There is not much latency. All right, let's move into other topics. Like, so how do you optimize your front end performance in React application?
Front end. I haven't been part of the front end optimization, to be honest. But I would. I think I would use some of the best practices following the documentation.
So what is your
To
exposure to working with like React UI, with creating components, writing custom hooks or various hooks, creating modular components? So just tell me like what is your expertise in React side?
yeah, I have a very kind of intermediate, I would say. I mean, I most of the work that I try to I've been doing is making the contract between the front end and the back end services, like checking if the calls from the front end is going to the back end. So from the front end side, I'm making sure the structure or the skeleton, like the interfaces written in the React, are proper and are in sync with the DTOs written in backend side. And the fetch that we are making to the backend is also working fine. So that's the. I mean, I've been on and off with the front end, but it's not that I won't be able to work with that.
All right. So you have also worked with ORM frameworks, right? Something like
Yeah,
Hibernate,
yeah,
Mybit.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, what is N+1 problem in Hibernate?
Yeah, so N+1 problem is when you try to fetch a data, but in return you hit its child records, get the child records as well. So for one query, you are getting plus n of the child records as well that you are trying to
It
fetch.
occurs in eager loading or lazy loading?
It occurs in eager loading.
Eager loading is supposed to have like all the queries are meant to be triggered, right?
Sorry, I'm sorry. Uh, it's yeah yeah
X.
we
Hmm.
solved this approach actually. To be honest, I was working on the one of this N+1 problem, and when we were trying to fetch the data, the N+1 query was getting triggered, and to overcome that challenge, because by default the one-to-many mapping was lazy loading, so we were trying to we tried implementing entity graph to just fetch the data that we want through the entity graph annotation. So that solved N+1 query problem.
Okay, what is clustered index in database?
Clustered index, clustered. Which index that is used for unstructured data? I
No, in
uh,
RDMMS, in relational databases only I'm talking. RDMMS is meant for structured data only, right? With entity table series.
yeah, yeah. Clustered index. There is something, yeah. I mean, yeah, you're right. Like, uh,
What is your
clus-
experience with like performance optimization, troubleshooting, like various monitoring tools, or like analyzing heap dump, identifying memory leaks, and those areas? Do you have any exposure? Like if
yeah,
success.
yeah, there were, yeah, we have one incident where we tried troubleshooting the hot threads. So there were some Linux commands along with the other monitoring tools that we use to analyze the thread dumps. Uh, so so uh, there was this top command from Linux that gave us the hot threads running, which were occupying the space in the memory. And through JMap, we got the heap dump, and which we analyzed with the G console software, I guess. So where we check that that the thread that is the hottest one is retaining more space in the memory, and garbage collector was not able to clean that from the memory, because it was being declared as like static uh, list object. So
Have you
so
also
so
worked
so
with Kprofiler,
Mhm.
Visual VM, those things also?
Yeah, yeah. J profile as the one that we use to analyze the heap dumps, the thread dumps.
How do you handle distributed transactions in microservices?
In microservices, unlike monolithic, we cannot roll back the changes. So we need to implement the outbox pattern to handle those transactions in case one and any uh, anything got messed up. So outbox pattern is responsible to trigger those events to to change the or let's say some order was not placed, so to update the data in the database. This pattern is implemented as a part of orchestration or choreography.
That is Saga pattern.
Yeah.
Okay. Thanks, Anis. We are well past the interview time. Yeah, thanks. Thanks a lot for your time.
Okay. Thank you so much. ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਤਾਂ ਆਹੀ ਫੁੱਦੂ ਕੰਮ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ।